this is Bolin again. We're gonna play Ball Blaster. Who's missing that game in our sensory room? All you'll need is a ball. If you have a weighted ball, even better, but not necessary. At least a bouncing ball, okay? And some sidewalk chalk to draw your square, okay? So a square large enough to hold your ball. It's really just a target, okay? So if you have your weighted ball, you can just hit it square in the middle as hard as you can. Okay? Or if you don't have a weighted ball, you can just use your bouncing ball and do the same thing. As hard as you can. Bounce, catch. Bounce, catch. And then, if you have a friend with you or a family member, you can do the same thing. Hit it in the middle of the square. Whoa. Be kind to each other. Be kind. Okay. That's not the point of the game. The point of the game is to hit in the middle of the square. Hit nice and easy so that the person who's playing with you can catch the ball.